Videotaping right now. This, I think, is Caleb's room. That's the bathroom. The laundry room. That's a nice laundry room. This is probably Moosie's room / spare room. Yeah. Linen closet. My room. Mm-hmm. And I get a bathtub. That's what I'm talking about. Woo! The house I have now, the kids have the bathtub. And I don't like that. I've only taken maybe 2 baths in that whole... They get a bathtub too now. We both get a bathtub. Yeah, this is very nice. And the fireplace is very nice. You can't hardly see it in this room, but with all the lights open, you could. And this is a nice space in here. Kitchen.
Very nice space downstairs.
And what's the price on this one? I thought it was $11.75 a month.
Yes.
Okay, I guess this is the pantry right here.
Yes.
That's kind of small, but it'll be fine.
That small?
Well, my pantry now is pretty big.
Okay, you compare. Okay.
And yeah, nice kitchen,
Oh yeah.
nice backyard. It's just where to put my dog. Have to figure that piece out, but otherwise. Somebody has a cat out here. Cat. That would be something, huh? So maybe I'll just let my dog run free a little bit and we'll see what happens. Mm-hmm.
Turn on the light right there.
This is the garage.
Be bumping into each other in this house.
Yeah, there's enough space in here.
Did you make the bathroom here?
Yeah. So plenty of bathrooms, 3 bathrooms.